Hey, Techno Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a website to your LinkedIn profile. So maybe you have a website which is like your resume with like samples of your work, or maybe you have an actual website, depending on what business you're in. It can be really useful to add it to your LinkedIn profile so people can check it out. So this is how you add it. So from your home page, you want to click onto your profile. And from there, we're going to click on the little edit icon, the little pencil icon. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says edit contact info. So I'm going to click on there, and scrolling down a little way, you should see a section that says website. So this is where you can add your website link. So I'm going to click on add website. So now I need my website URL. So I'm going to add my writing website in. I'm going to copy that URL, put it there. You can say what website type it is. Is it a blog? Is it your company? Is it your portfolio? Something like that. And then I'm going to click on save, and that information will be saved. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.